Noswaith dda, good evening. Diolch am wrando unwaith eto. Thanks for listening once again. Prif Weinidog sy'r Keir Starmer yn cyhoeddi amserlen ei ymddiswyddiad. Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer announces the timetable for his resignation. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif, chant a 30. Series 4 and episode number 330. Barti Ddu, Black Bart. So today's episode is about Barti Ddu, Bartholomew Roberts, famous pirate, Welsh pirate, one of the most successful pirates, a great thief. Yes, and his real name was John Roberts. And today's episode is really about the song by Buncath, which means buzzard. And it's one of the top bands, and they've got a song about the pirates. And yeah, so that's what this episode's about. So heddiw o dydd Llun, ail ar 20 o Fehefin 2026. Today's Monday, the 22nd of June 2026. Ac mae hi'n 1 munud wedi 10 o'r hwyr. Ac mae hi'n 1 funud wedi 10 o'r hwyr in the south. Because minute is feminine. So 1 minute in the north, 1 minute in the south. That is 1 minute past 10 p.m. And it's just changed. It's 2 minutes past now. Never mind. Ac mae hi'n 2 funud wedi 10 o'r hwyr. Ac mae hi'n 2 funud wedi 10 o'r hwyr. So there we go. Y themau heddiw yw'r gan Barti Ddu gan Buncath. The theme today is the song Barti Ddu, Black Bart by Buncath. Yeah, and I started off this music biography thing today with Biddig, and I've added to it now, so you don't just get the biography. There's a video carousel, but the videos have lyrics and quick links to the words, quick hover for the words in the song, and there's also games for the words, and I could add sentences of the songs and things like that as well as we go. But yeah, so I've brought the sort of games from the videos page together with the words and lyrics from the jukebox page together with this new bio page, which is a bit like that famous Welsh figures, heroes, important people. So yeah, you get a biography and you can hover on the words and you can go and practice the words or we'll look up what they mean in a dictionary or whatever. Hover on them for sound and stuff. And then the videos and the words. So let's go through the words that are in. Let's go through the biography first, sorry. Bywgraffiad Cymraeg, Welsh biography. Mae Buncath yn fand gwerin ac roc Cymraeg o ardal Caernarfon sydd wedi sefydlu ei hun fel un o fandiau mwyaf boblogaidd a thrysur Cymru yn ystod y 10 diwetha. It's a big one, isn't it? So, Buncath was a Welsh folk rock band from Caernarfon area that has established itself as one of the most popular and busiest bands in Wales over the past decade. Ffurfwyd y band yn 2014. The band formed in 2014 ac ers hynny maent wedi ennill enw am ei perfformiadau byw egniol. The group quickly gained recognition for its energetic live performances. Ei geiriau teimladwy a'i sain unigryw sy'n cyfuno elfennau gwerin, rock, a phop gyfoes. Thoughtful songwriting and distinctive sound that blends folk, rock and contemporary pop influences. Arweinir y band gan Eledir Glyn. The band is led by a cantor a cyfansodwr sydd wedi ennill cydnabyddiaeth eang am ei waith cerddorol. The band is led by singer and songwriter Eledir Glyn, who has received widespread recognition for his work. Enillodd drws Elin Spartan Hughes yn Eisteddfod Genedlaethol 2016 am y gan Curiad y Dydd. He won the Alan Spartan Hughes Memorial Trophy at the National Eisteddfod in 2016 for the song Curiad y Dydd. Ac yn 2019, enillodd gystadleuaeth Canu Gymru gyda'r gan Fel Hyndan Ni Fod. And in 2019 won the Song for Wales competition with Fel Hyndan Ni Fod. A ddaeth yn un o'r ganeuon mwyaf adnabyddus y band, which became one of the band's best known songs. My favourite Welsh song. We had it not long ago. Yeah. Rhyddawodd, I think that's how you pronounce it. Bwncath ei album cyntaf, Bwncath, yn 2017. Bwncath released their debut album Bwncath in 2017. Gan ddenu sylw am ei cyfuniad a gerddoriaeth werin a sain fodern, attracting attention for its combination of traditional folk influences and modern arrangements. Dilynwyd hyn gan Bwncath 2 yn 2020. This was followed by Bwncath 2 in 2020. A chafodd ei ryddhau yn ystod cyfnod y pandemig, which was released during the pandemic period. Yn 2025, rhyddawyd Bwncath thri gan barhau i ddatblygu sain a chyfansoddiadau'r band. In 2025, the band released Bwncath 3, continuing to develop the sound and songwriting. Where are we now? Mae caneuon fel Fan Hyndan Ni Fod, Clywed dy Lais, Dws yn dy Flaen, a Allwedd a Curiad y Dydd wedi dod yn ffefrynnau ymhlith cynulleidfaoedd Cymru. Songs such as Fel Hyndan Ni Fod, Clywed dy Lais, Dws yn dy Flaen, Allwedd a Curiad y Dydd have become favourites with Welsh audiences. Mae cerddoriaeth yn cyfuno melodiau, gwerin geiriau myfyriol a dylanwadau roc, gan greu sain sydd yn gyfoes ond yn ddwfn Gymreig. The music combines folk melodies, reflective lyrics and rock influences, creating a sound that is both contemporary and distinctly Welsh. Mae Bwncath wedi perfformio ledled Cymru mewn gwyliau, eisteddfodau a digwyddiadau mawr gan gynnwys yr Eisteddfod Genedlaethol, Tafwyl ac amryw o lwyfannau teledu a radio. Bwncath has performed throughout Wales at festivals, Eisteddfods and major events including the National Eisteddfod, Tafwyl, and numerous television and radio appearances. They have earned a reputation as one of maent wedi ennill enw fel un o fandiau byw gorau Cymru ac wedi denu cynulleidfaoedd newydd i gerddoriaeth Gymraeg. They have earned a reputation as one of Wales' leading live bands and have introduced new audiences to Welsh language music. Gyda'i gyfuniad o ganeuon cofiadwy, geiriau personol a perfformiadau byw pwerus. Throughout memorable songs, personal lyrics and powerful live performances, mae Bwncath yn cynrychioli cenedlaeth fodern o fandiau Cymraeg sy'n llwyddo i gyfuno traddodiad gwerin gyda sain gyfoes. Bwncath represents a modern regeneration of Welsh bands successfully combining folk traditions with contemporary musical styles. That's the bio. Now on to the page the rest of the page. What have we got? So the song I'm opening up on there is the name of the episode, Barti Ddu, and these are the words: Ar longai pren a lladron, on the wooden ships of the thieves. Pob gŵr sy'n graig a gallon, every man whose heart is like stone. A phris a pennain pwyson drwm bob dydd, and the price on the heads weighs heavily every day. Ond wrth fod yn adlewyrchiol, but by being reflective, mae y weld yn drag dybyniol, it seems quite acceptable. I daliodd pris bach hwn am fywyd rhif, to pay this small price for a free life. O Barti Ddu, o Black Bart, wrth mi weld drwy dy lygau di, when I see through your eyes, dwi'n gweld y longail hwyliau gwynion ar rhi. I see a ship and its white sails upon the sea. O Barti Ddu, o Black Bart, trio weld drwy fy lygau di. Try to see through my eyes. Mi walai'r don, ond does dim rhyddid arni hi. I see the wave, but there is no freedom upon it. Gweil dyn heb dir yw goncro, a man without land to conquer seas. Ni aeth un enid hebio, not a single moment passes. Or passing, perhaps, that's the context. As the sentence carried on, I think. Cyn iddo droi ei olygon at y dŵr, before he turns his gaze toward the water, na allai godi pebyll, though he cannot raise tents. Not sure about that one. Ai faner ni all sefyll. If I've got these wrong, let me know, help me out, let me change them. Don't let me pass on mistakes. I'm a learner, I'm doing my best. Ai faner ni all sefyll, and his flag cannot stand. Fe fynnai ei berchnogaeth hyn sy'n siŵr. He would claim ownership of it, that is certain. O Barti Ddu, o Black Bart, wrth mi weld drwy dy lygau di. When I see through your eyes, dwi'n gweld dy longau hwyliau gwynion ar y lli. I see a ship and its white sails upon the sea. O Barti Ddu, o Black Bart, tria weld drwy fy lygau di. Try to see through my eyes. Mi walai'r don ond does dim ryddid arni hi. I see the way, but there is no freedom upon it. Rwyt ti yn ddibynnol ar dy crew. Do you depend upon your crew? You are dependent on your crew. Iddyn nhw a dy longer rwyt ti yn drw. To them and to your ship you are loyal. Am hyn mae dy ddwylo ar y thw. Because of this, your hands are on the helm, ac I chdi dyna'r unig ffordd i fyw. Ac I chdi dyna'r unig ffordd i fyw. And for you, that is the only way to live. Rwyt ti yn ddibynnol ar dy grew. You depend on your crew. Iddyn nhw ar dy longer wyt yn drew. To them and to your ship you are loyal. Am hyn mae dy ddwylo ar y lliw. Because of this, your hands are on the helm, ac I chdi dyna'r unig ffordd i fyw. And for you, that is the only way to live. O Barti Ddu, o Black Bart, wrth mi weld drwy dy lygau di. When I see through your eyes, dwi'n gweld dy longau hwyliau gwynion ar y lli. I see a ship and its white sails upon the sea. O Barti Ddu, o Black Bart, tria weld drwy fy llygaid I. Try to see through my eyes. Mi walai'r don ond does dim rhyddid arni hi. I see the wave, but there is no freedom upon it. Mi walai'r don, I see the wave, ond does dim rhyddid arni hi, but there is no freedom upon it. Llongau becomes Longai, self-meditation. Lladron, thieves, but short for Lladron and Moria, thieves of the sea, pirates. Lots more words to look at and click on and do stuff. Jump onto some news now, no other on. So off we go as I scroll and scroll. And the word D, black, is there in other languages. News now. Arrestio dyn wedi marwolaeth gyrrwr beic modern yn Sir Gar. Man arrested after the death of a motorbike driver in Carmarthenshire. Conwy. Carcharu dyn am ymosod yn rhywiol ar ddynes oedd yn cerdded ei chi. Conwy, man jailed for sexually assaulting a woman who was walking her dog. Gorfod mynd yn breifat I gael gofal, medd menw sy'n byw ag epilepsy. Having to go privately to get care, says a woman who lives with epilepsy. Dyn oedrannus wedi ei gyhuddo o drosef anweddus honedig ar draeth y Môn. An elderly man has been accused of alleged indecent crime on a beach in Anglesey. Afon yng Ngwynedd ymysg y gorau ym Mrydain am blanhigion prin. A river in Gwynedd is among the best in Britain for rare plants. There we go. Thank you. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow. And now is me having a go. Well, a bit of me having a go at this song, Barti Ddu. Thra. Wyt ti yn dibyn y lad y grw Iddyn nhw ag along o'r wyt yn driw Am hyn mae dy ddwyl ar y ffliw Ac I chdi dyna'r unig ffordd I fyw Wyt ti yn dibyn lad y griw Iddyn nhw